I've tested out hundreds of bags, but these are the ones I'm actually using right now. My go-to extended travel bag right now is the 30-liter travel pack from Bellroy. I work as a travel director, which means throughout the year, I'm going to lots of different conferences and trade shows all around the United States. I'm usually traveling for about a week at a time, and this backpack makes it so easy to bring everything I need in just one bag. The layout is so simple, but so effective. I can pack my suit in one side of the bag and all of my clothes in the other. I also love the front pocket, which is great for a slim toiletry bag. In between work trips, my wife, daughter, and I really enjoy short weekend travel to visit family. My go-to weekend travel backpack right now is one I've been using consistently since I first reviewed it on the channel. It's the 22-liter Pioneer Carry Duration Pack. 2 pockets in the front, one for quick access accessories and one for a toiletry bag, one large main pocket to pack all your clothes, and a well-padded laptop sleeve make for a really satisfying packing experience. Not to mention, the bag is super durable and extremely comfortable to wear. When I need to run out to the coffee shop for a few hours to check emails or write scripts and plan out future YouTube videos, my go-to everyday carry bag has been the 14-inch Cloud Shopper from Topologie. It may just be a simple one-compartment zipper tote, but it's one that I'm obsessed with. It's stylish, unique, and it has such a cool aesthetic. I love the puffy-looking exterior along with the daisy chain webbing. I also really dig how you can customize the bag with all of the different rope strap options. We'll take a more in-depth look and pack this bag out in a future video, so be sure to subscribe if you're interested in seeing that. Lastly, we have my go-to sling, which is the Able Carry Core Sling. And this little bag just has been so convenient for me recently, especially when going out of the house with my toddler. During select days, a lot of museums in Chicago offer free entry for Illinois residents, so I've really been trying to take advantage of that when it's cold outside. My daughter has been absolutely loving it. I keep this little sling right by our door, stocked and ready to go for our days out. At 2.5 liters, it's the perfect size to carry everything I need. So those are the bags I'm actually carrying in 2026. Be sure to join us again on Saturday at 8 a.m. Central Time for another video at our usual time. With that, just want to say thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.